Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Prada sunglasses model SPR17W in color code VYJ-6X1. The color of the frame is powder pink. And the lenses are purple. And these glasses are a rectangular shape. On its top left lens, you'll find the Prada logo engraved in the lens. Its temples are also powder pink. And you'll find the Prada Milano Paris logo in silver on its temple. And the temples have triangular shapes. This is the inside of the frame. And this is what you see when wearing the frame. The lenses are also UV protected. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Prada logo that it's made in Italy. And on its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and dimensions of the frame. 49 is for its lens, 20 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Prada gift box. And on the inside of the box is the Prada logo. A white Prada case that magnetizes to close. A Prada dust bag. A black Prada cleaning cloth. And a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Luxottica. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.